Hi children, today new lesson, perimeter of rectilinear figure. Perimeter of rectilinear figure. So plain figures, okay. So example triangle, rectangle, square, like that. Only with 3 topics we are going to learn about it, okay, from this lesson. What is the perimeter? Okay, so first, a plane figure bounded by line segment. A plane figure bounded by line segment is called rectilinear. Okay, a plane figure, this is the 1 point. A plane figure bounded by line segment is called rectilinear figures. Example, triangle, rectangle, square, etc. Triangle, square, etc. Rectangle, etc. Okay, but plane figure bounded with by line segment. Okay, this is a plane figure. See, this is a triangle, plane figure. This is the line segment. Okay, these 3 sides. This is the rectilinear figure. Then, second point. What the sum of all sides of the rectilinear figure is called perimeter. Sum of all sides of the rectilinear figure is called perimeter. We are going to learn perimeter of rectilinear figures. Only 3 topics we are going to learn: rectangle, triangle, square. Okay, come to the second, this one, the sum of length of all the sides. The sum of length of all the sides of rectilinear figure is called perimeter. Clear? You have to learn only these 2 points in this lesson. Then you have to understand about what is perimeter. Okay? Now I think you are clear about what is perimeter, what is rectilinear figure. Okay, once again, plane figure bounded by line segment is called rectilinear figures. Example, rectangle, triangle, square, etc. Okay, then next one topic is perimeter. The sum of length of all the sides of the sum of all the sides of rectilinear figure is called perimeter. Clear? Come. So what is the perimeter? Only I already told, only we are going to find out perimeter of 3 figures. One is, I showed you, this is a triangle, plane figures 1, 2, 3. So 3 sides. Triangle has 3 sides. Okay, this is the line segment, 1 line segment, 2 line segment, 3 line segments. Bounded by 3 line segment is called rectilinear figure. Okay, this is line segment. Then we are called it side. This is called side. This also side. This one also side. So A, B, C. Okay, so we have to found the formula. Okay, what is the perimeter of triangle? How we are forming the formula of the perimeter of triangle? Perimeter of triangle equal to, we have, what is the perimeter of the triangle? The sum of all sides of the rectilinear figure. Sum of all the sides of the length. So 1 side, 2 side, 3 side. So the perimeter of triangle equal to one side, side plus side plus side. Clear? 1, 2, 3. This is the formula of the triangle. Clear? Perimeter of the triangle equal to side plus side plus side. Is it clear? Then this is the triangle figure. Okay? 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. Sum of these 3 lengths is called perimeter. Next, I am going to tell you about square. This is the square. We know already, we learned from the previous classes. In the square, these 4 sides are equal. What is the special of square? 4 sides are equal. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Come. This is square. So we can give any alphabets A, B, C, D. So this also side, this also side, this also sides, this also side. But in the triangle, these sides may be different lengths, isn't it? But in the square, what is the specialty of square? All the sides are equal. That is called square. So what is the perimeter of the square? Perimeter of square equal to, how many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides are equal. That's why 4 multiply sides. Clear? 4 multiply side. Okay, if we get one side, 4 sides are equal. This is 5 centimeter. This also 5 centimeter. This also 5 centimeter. This also 5 centimeter. Isn't it? This is the square. Clear? 4 sides are equal means that is square. So next one, this is triangle. Next one is square. Next one is rectangle. What it is? Rectangle. This is the rectangle, isn't it? Rectangle. Listen children, this is the rectangle. We can say anything. We can take as an example this board also rectangle, isn't it? See this side. What is the special of the rectangle? Opposite sides are equal. That rectilinear figure is called rectangle. Is it clear? Because opposite sides are equal. It means this is square. See, this is the rectangle. Rectangle figure. Is it plain figure? This is rectangle. Clear? One. This is long and the same length this. This is short. This also short. Isn't it? It means this is 5 meter, 5 centimeter. This also 5 centimeter. This is 8 centimeter. This also 8 centimeter. It means opposite sides are rectangle are equal. Okay, opposite sides of rectangle are equal. Is it clear? Okay. See, when you think you see this book, this also rectangle shape, isn't it? See, these both are opposite side. Here, where is the opposite side? This. ये इसके opposite side ये. So opposite sides are equal. इसका length equal होगा. That is called rectangle. Okay. इसकी भी 4 sides are. Sides are same. Okay, in the square and rectangle, but different lengths are there. Okay. This also we can P, Q, R, S. Okay. So here 4 sides are there, but length are different. So we can't write 4 multiply sides. So perimeter of the rectangle equal to, I am writing here short form, perimeter of rectangle equal to, what is the perimeter of rectangle? this is called length. Okay, so we are telling this is called length L. This is called breadth B. Okay, so how many breadths length are, how two sides are length it is, two sides are breadth it is. Okay, so two sides are opposite sides means two sides are equal. So 2 bracket what are the two sides? L plus B. L plus B. This is the perimeter of the rectangle. Clear? कैसे फॉर्मूला बन गया, समझ में आ गया? टू साइड्स आर इक्वल है, सो टू कॉमन में आ गया. कौन सा साइड इक्वल, उसको व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ दैट साइड? लेंथ एंड ब्रेड्थ. इसको बोल, दिस साइड इज पार्ट इज कॉल्ड लेंथ, दिस पार्ट इज कॉल्ड ब्रेड्थ. So this side breadth, both sides are equal. This length, two sides are equal. That's why 2 common लिया गया, L plus B. Clear? So this like this formula. Okay. Then अगर आपको perimeter of rectangle equal to L bracket में L plus B हो गया. Okay. Then आपको breadth and length में, length और breadth perimeter दिया, लेंथ और ब्रेड्थ फाइंड आउट करना है, तो आपको नेक्स्ट फॉर्मूला बनेगा. लेंथ प्लस ब्रेड्थ इक्वल टू 1/2 मल्टीप्लाई व्हाट इट इज? पेरीमीटर. तो रेक्टेंगल में हम लोगों ने इस लेसन में 2 फार्मूला बनाया है. ओके चिल्ड्रन, लिसन हियर. लेंथ प्लस ब्रेड्थ इक्वल टू 1/2 पेरीमीटर ब्रैकेट. Clear? This is the formula. 2 formula we made in this side also. Side of a perimeter of the square 4 multiply side. अगर हम लोग को सेम साइड फाइंड आउट करना है तो साइड ऑफ द स्क्वायर इक्वल टू, यहाँ पे लेंथ और प्लस है, यहाँ पे साइड है. क्यों? स्क्वायर में आप लोग का 4 साइड्स आर इक्वल है, तो साइड ऑफ एक साइड मिलेगा तो 4 साइड सेम है. तो साइड ऑफ स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 1/4 multiply perimeter. Children, I hope all of you clear about the lesson. Okay, once again I am telling you, see the formulas here. 3 sides are there in the first topic is triangle. ठीक है, तो you have to learn the perimeter of the triangle equal to 3 sides, length of the sum of all the sides of triangle, isn't it? So side plus side plus side. So short form I have written side plus side plus side. Okay, S means side. Okay, S means what you hear here? Side. Clear? Here second point topic is square. Square means 4 sides are equal. We made 2 formulas. What it is? One is perimeter. Perimeter of the square equal to sum of the all sides, no? So some 4 sides are there. 4 multiply side. Clear? Then that side of the square. अगर आपको perimeter मिल गया, side find out करना है तो side of the square equal to, क्योंकि 4 side है तो 1/4 multiply perimeter. ये perimeter bracket में आएगा. इस perimeter जो मिल रही है वो. तो second is side of the square. अगर आपको पेरीमीटर फाइंड आउट करना है तो टोटल है. अगर आपको एक साइड फाइंड आउट करना है तो 4 साइड्स आर इक्वल है, तो 1/4 मल्टीप्लाई इट्स पेरीमीटर. 2 फार्मूला हो गया. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज रेक्टेंगल. ठीक है, थर्ड वन. सो रेक्टेंगल ऑपोजिट साइड्स आर इक्वल इन द रेक्टेंगल. सो वन साइड इज कॉल्ड लेंथ, नेक्स्ट साइड इज कॉल्ड ब्रेड्थ. सो लेंथ 2 sides, breadth 2 sides, because opposite sides are equal, no? So breadth are equal, length are equal, isn't it? So perimeter of the rectangle equal to 2 multiply, otherwise bracket L plus B. L means length, B means breadth. Clear? आपको अगर सेम और लेंथ फाइंड आउट करना होगा, नहीं तो ब्रेड्थ फाइंड आउट करना पड़ेगा. ऐसे फाइंड आउट करना है. लेंथ प्लस ब्रेड्थ सेम ऑपोजिट है. Length plus breadth bracket में equal to 2 sides are equal. So 1/2 multiply perimeter. Is it clear? All of you listen this video many times and read the lesson properly, you will be clear about it. Okay, in this lesson you have to learn only 2 points. What is the perimeter you should know. Then second one is what is the rectilinear figure you have to know. Okay, I told you plane figure bounded with by line segment is called rectilinear figure. ये कुछ भी हो सकता है, पेंटागन, हेक्टागन सारे रेक्टिलिनियर फिगर है. लेकिन अब ये समझ में आना चाहिए आपको, सर्कल इज नॉट रेक्टिलिनियर फिगर, क्योंकि वो लाइन सेगमेंट में नहीं बना है, वो कर्व से बना है. यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट. ओके, मतलब लाइन सेगमेंट से कितना भी साइड से होके आपको शेप बनेगा, सारे रेक्टिलिनियर फिगर है. ओके, पेंटागन, हेक्सागन, ऑक्टागन बहुत सारे हैं. ओके, बट इन दिस 5th class you are going to learn only 3 rectilinear figures. One is triangle. What is the triangle? Where I showed you, this is the triangle, whatever it is, this is the triangle. Next one, same, if it is open, see here, it is the square, 4 sides are equal. Then next one is rectangle. Okay, these are the 3 figures we are going to solve the. If you learn this formula properly, you can solve next exercise 77. Thank you, children.